Hi guys, and welcome to our climate change PowerPoint project, checkpoint number 2, directions. So for this part, checkpoint 2, you're going to be working on slides 3 through 5 of your chosen topic. You need to refer to the climate change project directions for what goes specifically on each slide. So let me show you where you can find that information. So on our project directions here, you're going to notice on page 3, depending on your topic, it's going to tell you exactly what you should do on each slide. So slide 1 was your title page, slide 2 is your introduction, here's 3 through 5. And some 5, if you see like a number twice, that simply means you can put 2 pieces of information on that slide. So if you chose an introduction to climate change, today you'd be looking at definition of global warming, describe how global warming works, and then explain how global warming leads to climate change, and then describe your first evidence. So that's what you would be working on slides 3 through 5. If you chose the greenhouse effect, you talk about what is global warming and why is it important, describe the greenhouse gases and the greenhouse effect. You can put that all on slide 3. And then 4 would be provide a diagram and explain. So find a cool diagram online somewhere that explains the greenhouse effect and then explain it in your own words. And then how does greenhouse effect relate to climate change? If you chose how human activities produce greenhouse gases, your 3 through 5 right here would be what are the major causes of greenhouse gases, diagram showing explaining the causes of greenhouse gases, and then types of fossil fuels used by people that cause greenhouse gases. And then if you chose number 4, your 3 through 5 right here, what is climate change and how is it related to global warming? How was the climate already changed and why does it matter? And then the effects of climate change on glaciers. So you can find all of these back on these directions. So make sure you look there for your 3 through 5. All right, so here's some tips. Explain the scientific concept using your own words. Make sure your information is accurate. Go back and make sure the sites you're getting your information from are reliable sources. That's also in the document. Make sure you leave details. Don't assume that I know anything as I'm reading this, okay? Make sure you explain in good detail what's going on. Make sure that you use 3 visual pictures, charts, or diagrams, and this is for all of slides 3 through 8, so you don't have to have 3 pictures just on 3 through 5. But from 3 to 8, you want to make sure you have at least 3 visual pictures or diagrams so that you can explain. And actually, some of your slides tell you to actually do that. All right, so checkpoint number 2, and if you want to keep just submitting all of it, so if you want to resubmit 1, 2, and then now 1 through 5, that's fine. Go ahead and do that. This is due April 30th at 11 p.m. Make sure you submit it to the right location on Canvas so I can give you those points. All right, guys, if you have any questions, please email me and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.